are any of your songs based on stories or characters that you've made up? Yeah, 100%. Like, I don't do that much anymore, and I've spoken about this a little bit in another video, but I don't do that anymore that much, but I used to a lot, right? I used to make up everything. When I started playing guitar, I was like 15 years old. So I had like zero life experience, you know? So it was like, yeah, I made up everything pretty much, almost everything. I had a couple of friends when I was like 18, 19, they fell in love like big time. This one friend met this girl in a bank, and she was a bank teller, right? And he fell in love with her, never exchanged a word with her, never had any communication whatsoever with her, except to go to her counter and just do whatever transaction. Back in those days, we went to banks quite a lot. And he would go almost every day just to see her. You know, they never had any meaningful conversation, but he was in love. So he started sending her flowers, that kind of thing, right? And he wanted me to write a song for her. So other than situations like that, where I wrote for friends because of a particular situation, usually was love, some kind of an infatuation. And by the way, he did end up marrying her, so that was a pretty good story, and they're still together. But short of that, it was all made up because, I don't know, I just didn't have the experience to write about things that I had already experienced. Even though I had experienced some things, obviously, I just, I was probably, a little more closed up about it, that I don't want to share that with people as much. So now it's pretty much exclusively all the songs that I write are based on some real experience that I've had. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. I used to make up stories and characters exclusively, not anymore.